What's up, YouTube? Chris coming back with another update. So I just got to the storage, had to pick up the tow truck for today. I'm going to see if I can go to the exhaust shop and get new exhaust put on it. When I bought the truck, somebody had stole the I'll show you guys. Somebody had stole the cats. So right now there's no muffler, there's no cats. It's just from the headers dumping straight out. So the truck is very, very, very loud. So today I'm headed to the exhaust shop right now, and we're gonna see if we can put some exhaust on it and see how much it's gonna cost me. Hopefully it doesn't cost me too much, but I'll see you when we get there. All right, y'all, so I'm at the muffler shop right now, and they got the car jacked up, the truck jacked up here. He's going to be doing dual into a Y pipe and then single in the exhaust and single out. So when this get finished, I'll let y'all know how much everything costs and what it's looking like. So stay tuned for the next one. Shit, I put that Flowmaster 40 series on here, man. This motherfucker is quiet. You cannot hear nothing. Exactly what I was looking for, young. Oh yeah, she ready. She ready to come outside and play now. She fucking ready to come outside and play now. Who need a tow? I'm going 15 miles, 15 to 20 miles. That's it. I ain't going no further. Who need a tow? Let me know. Damn, bro, she quiet. That shit crazy. One muffler can make this motherfucker so quiet. When it ain't had no mufflers, it was like loud as shit. Alright, YouTube, so I have left the exhaust shop. Everything is paid for. It cost me $350 to put on a Flowmaster 40 series muffler. So let me show you guys what it looks like. As you guys can see, it's much quieter. Y'all can see down here, that 2.5-inch pipe coming out, running to a Flowmaster 40 series muffler, and then it dumps straight out the ground on the ground right there. So now she's quiet, y'all. I still have a belt squeak that I need to get to and figure out if it's a belt or if it's a pulley. I think the alternator pulley is squeaking, so I'm gonna have to probably get another alternator. But other than that, the truck is quiet now, and it's not as loud as it was when I first bought it last year without the cats and everything. So she's coming along, guys. Now I just need to get the windows tinted and put a paint job on her. But it's a project truck, so I'm not in a rush right now to actually do the tints and the rest of the stuff. I still have bills, so the bills come first. And when I get a little bit of play money, I try to spend it on the truck. But this is the truck. Quiet now. Now we're gonna be trying to sand all this. I'm gonna just paint it. I'm probably gonna do It's all black. Just have it all black and see how that goes. Like this side is all matte black. Probably sand it down with 300 grit and just hit it with some dupli-color Rust-Oleum turbo. But yeah, guys, this was a short video. Just wanted to show you guys what it sounds like without the exhaust on it, and also with the exhaust on it. I'll let you guys look at the exhaust one more time. So if it's something that you want to do to your F250, that's cool. Alright guys, if you like the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and I will get back with you and answer your comments. And thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy it.